Breaking: Supreme Court makes delay official, election bombshell. Democrats are determined to do everything and anything they can, by hook or by crook, to get their hands on the White House. And they got help on Thursday with a series of victories handed to them by the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania, Breitbart reported. Pennsylvania's highest court gave the Democratic Party a series of victories Thursday, including one allowing repairs to glitches and gray areas in the battleground state's fledgling mail-in voting law and another that kicked the Green Party's presidential candidate off the November ballot. The state Supreme Court, which has a 5-2 Democratic majority, granted the Democratic Party's request to order a 3-day extension of Pennsylvania's Election Day deadline to count mailed-in ballots. And it ruled that the Green Party's candidate for president did not strictly follow procedures for getting on the ballot in November and cannot appear on it. Ballots that are eligible to be counted must be postmarked by the time polls close and be received by county election boards at 5 p.m. on November 6, 3 days after the November 3 election. Republicans have opposed changing that deadline. Most states make Election Day the deadline, but 18 states, about half of which backed President Donald Trump in the 2016 election, have a post-election day deadline. The court also ruled that it is okay to use drop boxes by county and have satellite election offices. This will be especially helpful in the heavily populated cities, like Philadelphia, that are Democrat strongholds. Once again, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court has decided that laws have no meaning. The current state election statute, which was signed by Governor Wolf less than a year ago, is clear that mail-in ballots must be received by 8 p.m. on Election Day in order to be counted, Pennsylvania Senator Pat Toomey said. Today's blatantly political decision to violate the law irresponsibly heightens the risk that our state will experience a lengthy, disputed, and controversial outcome in what is expected to be an extremely close presidential race, he said. Democrat Governor Tom Wolf and Attorney General Josh Shapiro issued their own statement against a law that Governor Wolf signed, praising the decision. Today's ruling confirms that counties will be able to provide convenient secure options such as additional county election offices and drop boxes to increase accessibility for those who are voting by mail. It also means that ballots postmarked by Election Day and received by the Friday after the election will be counted, they said. But the Democrats did suffer some setbacks. The court ruled that election boards should not have to notify voters if their ballots have errors and give them a chance to fix them, CNBC reported. It also said that naked ballots that are mailed sans an outer envelope that shields them, should be counted. Whatever the wisdom of the requirement, the command that the mail-in elector utilize the secrecy envelope and leave it unblemished by identifying information is neither ambiguous nor unreasonable, Justice Max Baer said. The court also rejected Democrats' request to have third parties collect votes, a practice known by some as ballot harvesting and by others as ballot collecting. What do you think about this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Don't you forget like, share and subscribe latest news channel. Thank you for watching.